Mayapagat panapon kayo. Magandang hapon po mga kabalen. Of course, 2 games down. We are 3 games to go para sa ating Saturday edition ng ating Delta Cup. We're here at the Brenzillao Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga, the heart of Central Luzon basketball. Kanina natapos na po ating dalawang laro. And of course, this guy, JM Gigante, is the skipper of Bayong Porac. He's a 3-time best player honor sa mga panalo ng Porac. Samantala naman sa Magalang, it's gonna be RJ Guevara, who had been consistent of late in the last 3 outings. He wants to prove that he is a formidable player para sa Magalang. 1 Magalang versus Bayong Porac ang ating game at hand, 3rd game of 5. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ang inyong lingkod, si Ryan para muli. We'll cover this game for you. Of course, mamaya makasama natin sa ating courtside si Francine Marco. She will update us from other things in mind for today. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan na i-like and share ang social media natin sa ating Facebook page, facebook.com/PampanggaPIO Public Information Office. Gayon din sa ating mga YouTube channels at Pampanga PIO and also at Sinag Liga TV. Pasadaan natin ang ating team standings, shall we? To where it as sa ating dalawang teams na mga lalaban ngayon, Bayong Porac has a 5-win and 4-loss record. Samantala naman ang ating 1 Magalang is on the bottom of the standings, 3-5. This is a must-win for 1 Magalang because they are on the 9th place. They want to make sure to make it to the top 8. Dahil pareho sila ng mabalakat with 3-5 record. Alright, so wag na natin patagalin pa. Coming up, it's gonna be Bayong Porac versus 1 Magalang. Ipasa na natin sa ating venue announcer, Ram Valen. Ram, your turn to introduce the starting fives.
Good afternoon once again, Delta Cup fans, and welcome to Brenzillao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga, the home of Pampanga Delta. This is the Delta Cup 2023 Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament, presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. You can catch live action at Pampanga Public Information Office, FB page, and YouTube channel. Ladies and gentlemen, our 3rd game for this afternoon, the battle between Bayong Porac and your 1 Magalang Basketball. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your Bayong Porac. Point guard number 11, Tristan Tubangi. Shooting guard number 15, Joran Gigante. Small forward number 6, Mon Rodriguez. Also at forward number 22, Nino Vasquez. And center number 9, Gian Cruz. Head coach for Bayong Porac is Arvin Ivay. Assistant coaches Lloyd Rivera and Larry Carlos. And now let's meet the starters for your 1 Magalang Basketball. Point guard number 2, Jordan Bugay. Also at guard number 28, Errol Mandaloto. Forward number 21, Rafa Canlapan. The other forward number 22, Jeff Booton. And center number 9, Kian Dunca. 1 Magalang Basketball is led by Coach Joey Mercado. Assistant coaches, Ponzi Malig, Jevren Hudilia, Jerima Feliciano, and Chris Bondo. Your 1 Magalang Basketball. Game officials charged in action, Dennis Escaros, Anthony Galotera, and Noel Menchero. This is the Delta Cup 2020.
Alright, pasadaan natin ang starters para sa Porac. We have Tubangi and Gigante for the guards, Rodriguez and Vasquez for the forward, at si Cruz sa center. Para naman sa Magalang, we have Manaloto and Bungay para sa guard, Button and Canlapan para sa forward, and Dunca sa center. Ating mga referees, Dennis Escaros, Michael Galotera, and Noel Menchero. We are ready. Teka muna, may problema sa score. Bakit 3? Ayan. Inayos naman pala. Inayos naman sa 0-0 ating talaan. Ready na po tayo sa ating third game of 5 Delta Cup. First quarter. Porac now wearing in white and green, while Magalang in blue, navy blue uniforms. JM Gigante, meron siyang stitch dun sa kanyang face from that last game. Tubangi, stumble upon. Here's a three-point shot. Siguro pwede natin tanungin mamaya si Francine Marco kung ano yung stitch kay JM Gigante. As we see a basket here by Manaloto. Breaks the ice for this ball game. 2-0. Rodriguez. Here's Gigante. What I said earlier, he has a stitch on his right cheek. Tubangi on the left wing. Shot clock winding down at 7. Here's the drive. Partially deflected. Another shot clock. Put back is no good. Vasquez puts it in. All right, there's a basket by Nino Vasquez. Off a miss by Tristan Tubangi. Thank you for that, Direct. Tied at 2 apiece. Here is the play for Magalang. It is a turnover. Jamie Gigante on a fast break. Gigante flies high to Norville. Partially deflected by Canlapan. Baseline drive. It is a basket by Errol Manaloto. So, keeping in good stand, talagang lumalaban itong Juan Magalang all the way. 4-2 is a count. Tubangi rather, draws a foul against Bungay. First personal by Bungay. That's a first team foul para sa Magalang. Here's Gigante on the right wing. Ball almost taken away. On the outside, here's a three-point shot by Tubangi. Misses that time. Rebound control by the Blue Shirts. That's Rafa Canlapan. Here's Bungay, or inside play. Didn't pay off there by Jeff Button. Here's Tubangi. Drives hard. Sidestep to no avail again. Turnover for the White Shirts. And here's Magalang. Here's Jeff Button. Presses the right button for the layup. 6-2 is our tally. 7.5 remaining, starting first quarter of action. This is game 3 of 5 of our Delta Cup. They swing it around from the baseline. Looking for a friend. The spin, the turn, kick out, 3-ball. It's good. That's Juan Rodriguez. The last time I covered Porac, way back in November 5, he was the best player on us. In the meantime, JM Gigante, Rodriguez, the 1-2 punch of Porac didn't pay off that time with that fast break attempt. Counter fast break for the Blue Shirts. Manaloto with a layup, changing hands in midair. The rebound is 3 for Magalang, 8-5, 6:46 remaining starting first quarter. It was JM Gigante on the left wing, far out, now to Tubangi. Tubangi on the outside, what he will do. He will try to penetrate, now spins, turns, on the outside, low post play, the turnaround. There's going to be a foul. It will be 2 free throws for the defendant party. It's going to be a foul probably on Button as we see this. See this last basket by Ariel Manaloto. First personal for Jeff Button. And Cruz makes the first free throw para sa Porac. Gian Cruz. Napakaingay ng crowd dito. Ang daming trompeta. Mga bata. 2 for 2 for Cruz. Rossi fought encounter early in the first quarter. 8-7 is our tally. Time remaining 6:25. Here's Bungay right down the base. Here's the one-handed shot. Dunca scores. 10-7 Magalang, 6-9 remaining in the first quarter. JM Gigante may tangan ng bola. They swing it around to Gian Cruz. That's a long three. That's short. Rebound controlled by Manaloto. Manaloto brings it up with a blue shirt. He traveled. So since he traveled on the half court, so it will be a half court inbound. Ayan, tinuturo ni referee Noel Mancher. It's going to be just 14 seconds on the shot clock. With 5:56 left in the first quarter. Here's Gian Cruz. Cross, drives, runner. Another foul, give it up. This time against Dunca. First personal for Kian Dunca. So yung malaking mama ng Porac will shoot 2 free throws, Gian Cruz. First free throw off to the right. Yung po coach ng Bayong Porac, Coach Arvin Ibay. Second is good for Cruz. He has 3 points, 3 team fouls for Magalang. Still a clean slate for Porac. 10-8 Magalang. Time remaining 5 minutes and 39. Manaloto has it. It's swinging around on the right wing. From the corner. Can't drive down. Spins, turns, puts it up, puts it in. Great move. Rafa Canlapan. Score is 12-8 in favor of Magalang. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 21. Tumbangi. Top of the keyhole area. Starter step against Cruz. The pick. Shot will not work. Cruz tips it out. Gets it right back. Look at Vasquez. Tenacity off the board by Nino Vasquez on a noisy crowd here at the Benzia Convention Center with a lot of trumpets from the children here. Vasquez with a steal, and here comes fast break. JM Gigante, 2-on-1 situation. Rodriguez will not score. Gigante does. We are tied at 12. First deadlock of the ball game. One Magalang sues for time. They sense that the white shirts is in full throttle of this fast break finishes by Porac, courtesy of JM Gigante. We'll be right back.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Back to live action here in the Benzia Convention Center. It's at Bernardo City, Pampanga. And we are tied at 12. Very first deadlock of the ball game. Game 3 of 5. Nasa midstream na tayo ng ating 5-game coverage ng inyong Delta Cup Inter-Cities Municipalities Basketball League. Handog sa inyo ng ating puting governor na si Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, who cannot make it today because his Pampanga team is in General Santos for pre-season tournament. JM Gigante going berserk on the fast break. 4 points now for JM. 3-point play opportunity. And the foul is against Rafa Canlapan. First personal. Take a look at this. Gigante, gigantic finish. Despite that some stitches on his face. May nakikita niyo yung tahi sa mukha ni JM once he goes to the free throw line. Didikita niya doon sa ating court. And he missed the free throw. The lead is 2, 14-12, 4:21 remaining in the first quarter. Oh, look at that. Rodriguez. Anticipated steal. Rodriguez goes flight, misses. Gigante soars high for the tip in. No, there's a foul. Wow, Gigante. Always in the right place at the right time. It's going to be a foul of France to bid, and already Magalang entered the penalty situation at the 4-minute and 12 mark of the first quarter. Now, JM Gigante will make bawi on his missed free throw. He makes the first this time. JM has 5 points. Teka lang, teka lang. Nagkaroon na lang problema sa ating shot clock. Ayun, hindi na reset. Up. Okay. It is a lane violation. So the ball will go back to Magalang with a 3-point deficit staring on Magalang. Inside pass, broken up by Vasquez. Tinamaan yung ating mga medics ng Pampanga PDRRMO. Inbound by Manaloto from the baseline. Jeff Button, the hook. In the miss, tip in. Yes, for the big guy. That time, Ryle Dizon scores. And it is a 1-point game for Porac, 15-14. 3:49 remaining. 3-point shot, no sock for Gigante. And the ball will stay with the white shirts with a fresh 14 seconds on the shot clock. Inbound. Looking for a cutter. Inside. Labas. Here's the drive, the shot. And there's going to be another foul given out by Magalang. So that will be another foul on Vance David, second personal. This time, Sean de Marukot, while Sean is taking free throws, let's turn it over to Francine Marco for this report. Francine.
Good afternoon, Ryan. I talked to the head coach of Bayong Porac, Coach Arvin Ibay, and I asked him how important this game is for them. And ang sabi niya sa akin, malaking bagay itong game na to dahil kailangan nilang manalo para magkaroon ng advantage sa 4th place ng bracket A. And he also said that their mindset lang for this game is to give the team and players proper motivation to play their best and win the game. Coach Arvin also said that they have made changes in their play and are perfecting their play to extend their stay in the league, with the players and coaches knowing that this is a very important game for them to win. Now back to you, Ryan.
Okay, Francine, bago kita bitawan, meron akong tanong sa iyo. Naitanong mo na ba doon sa coach ng Pora kung bakit merong stitch doon si JM Gigante, as we see a basket there by that's Jeff Button who scored the basket. 3-point shot. Surprise hit for Sean Di Marukot. 2016 is our count. It's a 4-point lead for Porac. 2 minutes and 55 remaining. Here's Leak Up. Inside, low post play. Broken up. And it's taken away. The big guy, Cruz, almost lost his dribble. Goes backcourt, now on front court. And it has been a slight wild and woolly basketball we're seeing here. With 2 minutes and 40 in the first quarter. And we have one player to check in for Magalang. This time it's going to be Kindungka replacing Jeff Button. 14 to shoot now to Bangi. Has it. To Bangi with a cross on the outside. Here's Gian Cruz. Open 3. Short. Rebound. It will be Magalang. They're down by 4 right now. Approaching the 2-minute warning on this first quarter. Here's the 3-point shot. That's a long two, says the ref. Long two for Nilo Ligap. Here's Ocampo with a spin. Ocampo batted away. Great block by Dizon. That's Alfie Ocampo. All right, 17 seconds on the shot clock para sa Juan Magalang. Here's Ocampo. Vasquez jumper. Yes, sir. That's third field goal for Nino Vasquez. And we are 2 minutes now in the first quarter. It's a 4-point lead. Leak Up momentarily open. He drills it. Five points now for Nino Leak Up or Nilo Leak Up. 21-20, 1-point lead. Ocampo can't reply it. But they get the ball back. Di Marukot overcooks. And here comes Magalang for another fast break opportunity. It is going to be a foul against. It's going to be against Sean Di Marukot. That's the first team foul. As a team, also the first foul. Sean Di Marukot. 15 to shoot now. Oops. Almost a lost pace here. Then on the shot clock, here it comes. Liga on the outside. David pulls up. Nope. Rebound. Still the blue shirts. We have a foul underneath. And second personal for Sean Di Marucot. And Cruz checks out. 2 free throws now for Juan Magalang. Made it for Kian Tungka. One more serving for Kian Tungka. Yes, 4 points for Tungka. So 1 point lead for Magalang, a minute and 17 remaining. So they're gonna let the ball. Finally, Tubangi touches it. Clock starts, and we have an illegal pick against Porac. It will be a foul against Stanley Canlas, his first personal. So we have Paul Estrabo. We'll check in for Manaloto. That has been the rotation so far for Magalang. Long three, short rebound. Vasquez. Vasquez streaking. Canlas. Baby's the shot. Inside play. Estrabo was clobbered. We'll stay with the blue shirts of Magalang with only 17 seconds on the shot clock. 48.9 in the first quarter. Closely fought encounter. Isang puntos lang laman ng Magalang. 23-22. And we still have 17 seconds on the shot clock. The drop pass. Oh, great play. That's a great play. And Estrabo finding its mark inside. And Magalang up by 3 now, 25-22. Time down to 34 seconds. And the kickout pass was too wide. It's a turnover. 5-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. So Magalang will chew up the clock. League up to Estrabo. Estrabo for 3. Air ball. So last attempt na yan para sa Porac to score. There's the coaching staff of Porac. Assistant coaches Lloyd Rivera and Larry Carlos. 10 seconds remaining, first quarter. Vasquez, here's the draw. Another turnover, tit for tat. 6.9 seconds remaining. We'll chew up some more. Liga pass it. Down to 4. Estrabo down to 2. Donka, no. And that's it. First quarter draws to a close. It is 22-25 for Magalang. As we take a look at this first quarter highlights, starting with this 3-point shot by Mon Rodriguez. And we have Manaloto scoring. So that's Ariel Manaloto. Of course, Jorigen Gigante. And those are some of the highlights. The last basket there by Nilo Liga. First quarter count, 25 Magalang, 22 Porac.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Back to live action. Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan mga kasinag. SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinag-asia-sports@gmail.com or send us a message to our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia Facebook page. Muli, ako po ang inyong lingkod, Ryan Paro, for our third game of 5 ng ating Delta Cup. Live po dito sa Brenzy Yao Convention Center in San Fernando, Pampanga. Basket counted. Is that counted? It is a counted foul. Shot by Nilo Licap. Take a look at this in slow-mo. Nice shot. Last foul on Rafa Pacalpulong, first personal. Rafa Pacalpulong joins with Naku. We have Canlas. We have Rodriguez. And we have Cruz. Bringing the 5 for Porac. Rodriguez has it. Only 8 to shoot. Capulong 3. Couldn't make it. So we have Estrabio, Dizon, Dunca. We also have David. And we also have this guy manning the point. That's Licap. Completing the 5 for Magalang turnover. Ito na si Rodriguez. Butt stop and misses the layup. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Rodriguez. Jackknife. Nothing. Kind of fast break for Magalang. Here's Estrabo. Nice passing play. That results to an empty possession. And both teams missing point-blank range shots. Here's Cruz. Off the glass. He draws a foul. Will take 2 shots anyway. It's a foul on Kian Dunga. So it says it's a second personal foul. Cruz makes the first. And Gian Cruz now has 4 points. Now 5 points, Gian Cruz. Oh, parang na sila ni Joren Gigante, but the top scorer here for Porac is Nino Vasquez with 6. Magalang now with the possession. Here's Estrabo on the left wing, right down the baseline. Sneak in move by Paul Estrabo. 30-23, 7-point lead. Here's Porac, Maku. They're swinging up. Rodriguez, back to Maku. Maku pulls up from 3-point distance. A dismal failure. Rebound control. Canlas can't sink it. And Dunga nakakuha ng rebound. Pinababa bola ni Nilo Licap. Lamang sila ng 7. Magalang against Porac. Inside. Hop step. David trickles out. One more time around the block. Clobbered. Drop pass. Dizon will score. Flexing his muscle and might. Yan ang tinatawag na todong time move. Nakapagin si David. Dizon says, I'll take care of business. And the foul against Canlas, his second personal. Missed there by Dizon. Oy! Natumba si Dizon. Natumba. Jackknife, no. Dizon takes care of the rebound. That's his job. 32-24. 7:35 remaining in the second quarter. Na ito na si Paul Estrabo. They swing it up to Licap on the left wing. Licap, back to Estrabo. Momentarily open. There's a double team. Licap, 3-ball, short. Rebound control for the white shirts. So Licap will be called for the faking a foul. Donong time, no. David, yes. Vance David, first basket. Yes, Licap was called for faking a foul. Inside. It's out. But if that's foul on Dunga, that's his third. Third personal on Dunga. Let's see this. Dodong time. Instead, it's going to be Dunga time. Two free throws now for Gian Cruz. So he played 7 minutes. Pumuna si big boy Dizon. Cruz with a second. Yes. 6 points for Gian Cruz. The lead is 9 points for Magalang. 34-25. Time remaining 6 minutes and 47. Sa ating second quarter. From the baseline, here's the drive, the layup, too strong. Inakuha ni Jeff Button ng rebound. Instead, Rodriguez has it. That's Mon Rodriguez. And here's to Bangi. Drive side, traveling. And we have a timeout by Bayong Porac. With a 9-point lead of Magalang, they need to talk things over. We'll be right back.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Alright, Sinag Liga Asia goes to Visayas. Born 2004, 19 under, and of course born 2007, 17 under. Coming up this April 2024, in 2 months' time. Nagmumula po tayo dito sa Brenzy Yao Convention Center. Uy, ang ating mga nagagandang kababaihan. Our spotlight for this break as we zoom action back to this heated battle between Magalang and Porac. Bayong Porac versus 1 Magalang. So far, 1 Magalang lamang sila ng 9 points, 34-25. We're approaching the 6-minute mark of this second quarter. Here's Rodriguez on the right wing. Good ball movement by the white shirts. Ito na si Gian Cruz. Pump fakes. The drop. Cruz converts. Great passing play between these two big guys. Assist by Alfie Ocampo. And that's already 8 points for Gian Cruz. David drops it up. And it's going to be traveling for Rafa Canlapan. Concerned look there by Coach Joey Mercado. 34-25. Up fake. Here's the drive. Bang bodies here. The nice drop up. Again, this time Alfie misses the layup. He wants to return the compliment on that last play. And now Ariel Manaloto will bring it up for Magalang. Tuloy-tuloy. Left-handed layup. Hindi pumasok. Got a fast break for Porac. Almost stumbled upon. And here comes Porac on the attack mode. Hang time move to Bangi. Misses. At the other end, here comes the layup that was missed by Jeff Button. One fast break play after the other. Gian Cruz. There's going to be a blocking foul. So it's going to be Franz David with his third personal. Now let's turn you over to Francine Marco for more of her report.
Hello Ryan, an update for Bayong Porac's Joran Gigante. Since I wasn't able to answer your question kanina, I did actually ask him kung ano yung injury sa face niya. And fortunately, it turns out na namamagalang daw po pala yung kanyang ngipin. And he said he's good to play and will be delivering for the team as expected. And knowing that he is one of Coach Arvin's key players, when I asked Coach Arvin who his key players were, Gigante was one of the first one he mentioned, along with Tristan Tabangi and Gian Cruz. Kaya naman, magaman ang ngipin, we can expect Gigante will surely show up for the team. Now back to you, Ryan.
Maraming salamat, Francine Marco, for answering my question. Thank you so much. And just like that, Rafa Capulong drills a three-pointer. Chops down the lead of Magalang to just 4. But hey, Jeff Button is open from the baseline with a great assist for one of his teammates, and he has 6 points. Time down to 4 minutes and 27 remaining. 34-30. It's a 4-point lead. Here's Rodriguez on the right wing. Binigay ang bola para kay Capullo. Now to Gian Cruz. Gian Cruz has been productive so far. The kamikaze drive didn't pay off, but there's going to be a foul. First foul on Ariel Manaloto. So far it has been the Gian Cruz night. He's the center of offense, but if he's open, he will take it strong to the hole. Upo muna si Tristan Tubangi. Upo muna si Rafa Capulong. We have 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here's the inbound. Whoops. May foul agad. It is going to be a foul on Jeff Button. Second personal And Magalang is now already out of team foul trouble. At si Lika po muna, babalik si Jordan Bungay. And here's Gian Cruz, the top scorer for Porac. He has 8 points. Short nga lang yung unang free throw. Okay, wag natin pakalimutan batiin natin mga Sinagliga Asia executive team. Of course, our chairman, Rocky Chan. Our president, Ray Alaw. Of course, Mike Arago, Janina Chan, Maria Alaw, and of course, Sinagliga Lakas 40 Commissioner Rodney Santos. Fast break again for Porac. Here's JM Gigante. Oh, medyo malamig pa sa bench. Missed that layup. Alright, sa mga nagtatanong ano yung mga final scores natin in the first 2 games. Nanalo Lubao laban sa Santa Rita 75-70. And of course, yung second game natin, nanalo. Okay, we will check that one. 75-71 yung kaninang game natin. Gigante. And the rest of Porac, here's Lopez. Drops it up. Vasquez scores. And Nino Vasquez now with 8 points. Sasmuan rather wins kanina 75-71. We have a timeout on the floor. And so far, Magalang is up by 4.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
These are some of the crowds here sa Brenciya Convention Center San Fernando, Pampanga. Ating mga kabataang kabalin. Masayahin at syempre may konting, sabi nga Japorms. Apakan niyo po yan next month. SLA 19 under and 23 under. 36-32, so 4-point lead for Magalang. 10 on the shot clock. Nice up fake. The runner, it goes in. That's Jordan Bungay's first bucket. 38-32. Juan Magalang keeping afloat against this mighty Porac squad. You can tell Rodriguez pointing to the right direction. Gigante. Here's the turnaround by Vasquez. Banks it in. That's 10 points. Nino Vasquez now top scoring for Porac. Estrabo brings it up. Both teams in penalty situation only for Magalang. 3 team fouls for Porac. Corner flip. It goes out. Rebound Estrabo and tips it in. 6 points for Paul Estrabo. 40-34. Gigante brings it up for the white shirts. Narito si Rodriguez. Here's Gigante. The marquee player, the skipper. And we have Cruz. Lays it up. Nako, hindi pumasok. Teka muna, parang may nung warning yata yung si ano. May warning na kanina yung Magalang. Yeah, dapat technical yan kasi may warning na kanina si Likap ng first quarter. So technical dapat si Bungay for the second fraction of faking a foul. That's a good call there by referee Michael Caltera telling Delalis Carlson Will mention na meron ng technical, meron ng warning kanina ang Magalang for faking a foul. So the technical will be meted against Jordan Bungay, and that will be second personal because technicals here in FIBA will be counted as personal foul. So pangalawang infraction na yan ng faking a foul. There you go, yun yung announcement. And Gian Cruz makes the free throw. He has 9 points. And JM Gigante, after scoring the first 5 points, and nanahimik. in this quarter for Porac, but let's see if he can slowly catch fire his scoring. Nakakamiss yung kanyang mga clutch performances. Medyo malamig pa sa kanyang free throw. He missed the last 2 free throws for Bayong Porac, and they are trailing by 5. Missed both free throws. Uncharacteristic. And Magalang has the basketball. Chris Bungay from the backcourt. The lob. Here's the shot. That's short. Rebound Estrabo. Moves out of trouble. Here's the drive. Sidestep. Drops it up. Too strong. Rebound control. Fast break opportunity. And Rodriguez will make them just a 3-point deficit. 5 points for Mon Rodriguez. Here's Manaloto. The drop inside. The hang time move. Almost. Here's Canlapan for the N1 situation. It's going to be a foul on Mon Rodriguez, his first personal. Take a look at this slow-mo replay. Bonus free throw. See that on a slow-mo replay, yung huling tira. And Canlapan. Yes, it is a foul on number 6, probably. Yes, only the first foul on Mon Rodriguez. Now, we have some referees conferring to the table officials what will be the next announcement. Let's listen. Okay, they're just confirming it is a 1 free throw, so it's going to be a bonus.
Nino Liga for Jordan Bungay.
Bungay checks out. And sorry. So Canlapan makes it. So yung pinalitan pala ay si Bungay pala. Tumitingin ako sa isang team. 1:17 remaining, 42 to 37, 5-point lead for Magalang. Gigante to Rodriguez on the left wing. It's Mon Rodriguez. JM Gigante. Top of the key. Low post. Gian Cruz. Banging bodies. Misses. Sorry, miss for Gian. And here's the fast break for Magalang. Manaloto. Banging bodies also. Draws a foul anyways. All right, it's a foul on Vasquez. Only the first personal of Nino Vasquez. Samantala, umalog palabas ang tira ni Ariel Manaloto. Best ball. Look at Vasquez. He takes flight. 42 seconds. And we have Jeff Button misses. One more that's what you call one more salvo. 8 points now for Jeff. The lead is 8 for Magalang, 45 to 37. Water under the bridge, Ikanga. Rodriguez will drive. Sidestep, goes up, nothing. Ligap has it. Ito na, fast pick for Magalang. Nilo Ligap. Inside the paint, up pick. Canlapan scores. And we have a technical foul.
Technical foul on number 22, Jeff Button, for making a foul.
And Jeff Button will be called for technical for faking a foul, and that already his 3rd personal. Now, Jeff Button wants to review that situation. Referee disallow it. As Gian Cruz will took to the line, and he will be the 2nd guy for Porac to score in double digits. Yes. 10 points, Gian Cruz. 10 points, Nino Vasquez. The lead is 9 points for Magalang, 47-38. Wait a minute. So if Magalang will not sit on the bench, the referees will call them an improper bench decorum. On the inside, Vasquez is gone. What happened to the transition defense of Magalang? Caught napping. And now the lead of Magalang is chopped down to 7. Take a look at this. Fast break. It's the Gigante Vasquez connection. We have a timeout. Correction nga pala. It is already first half. Parang namalik mata ako. Anyway, namalik mata ako mga kaibigan. First half na pala yun. 47-40. We'll be right back for the second half. Oh boy. Delta Cup 2023-24. It keeps getting better. Stay tuned here on the production of SLA Sports. First half na po tayo mga kaibigan.
Pampanga, known as the culinary capital of the Philippines, offers the best variety of Filipino dishes. But there's more to this province than just good food. Welcome to Pampanga. Despite being hit by Mount Pinatubo's eruption more than 30 years ago, the Kapampangans were able to rebuild the province. Economy is booming. Former military base, Clark Air Base, has been reborn into a free-port zone. Home to business parks, EPOs, malls, convention centers, and world-class hotels and resorts. Aside from Clark, tourist attractions in other areas of Pampanga are among the most exciting places and events in the Philippines. From trekking, adventure sports, leisure, and a lot more. The Kapampangans are also deeply religious. The depth of faith can be reflected with the grandeur, dignity, and divine beauty of their churches. And during the Holy Week, Pampanga is also said to be strangely famous not only for devotees who flock different churches for what is known as the Visita Iglesia every Maundy Thursday. But also for the penitents who self-flagellate on the streets on Good Friday. Some whip themselves until their backs swell or bleed, or carry wooden crosses. For the more courageous ones, They vow to have themselves nailed on the cross as a way to repent for their sins. These unique rituals, traditions, and devotion have attracted much media and tourist interest since featured in the 1960s.
So come home and explore all these and more here in Pampanga, in the heart of Central Zone.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon. Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asia. Sinag Liga Asia. Mekos na yan!
Okay, halftime score po tayo. 47-40 is a 7.8 for Juan Mangalang. And of course, nag-happen na po tayo sa ating labanan sa ating third game. Let's take a look at our halftime highlights. Starting off with this basket by Manaloto. Then we have a 3-ball converted by Mon Rodriguez. Estrabos lay-in inside. We have also another fast break by Rodriguez. Actually, he scored the first 5 points para sa Pora. And we have the layup scored by Jeff Button. And Gigante to Vasquez. Get away by Nino Vasquez. Those are some of the first half highlights. Both squads. For Porac, we have Nino Vasquez with 10, Gian Cruz with 9, and Mon Rodriguez with 5. For Magalang, balance scoring, Nilo Licap with 8, Paul Estrabo with 6, and Ariel Manaloto with 6. So, tamang tala dito. So, important thing for Porac, they need to keep in step with this Magalang. Of course, Magalang is ang kanilang nature dito yung rebounding. Ang dami nilang malaking mama. Para naman sa Porac, yung kanilang fast break, although they are small guys, but they can shoot well from the outside. We've seen that in the first quarter, pero medyo non-existent sa second quarter dahil medyo kukunti lang kanilang mga outside shots. Don't forget to like and share our Facebook page, facebook.com at Pampanga PIO, Public Information Office, for more updates sa inyong Delta Cup. Sa YouTube channel ng Pampanga PIO at ngayon din sa Sinag Liga TV. And of course, ating mga bossing ng ating SLA, of course, nanonood lagi ang ating chairman, si Boss Rocky Chan. Of course, President Ray Alao. Of course, Mark Arago also watching, Ma'am Janine Chan, si Ma'am Mariel Alao, of course, SLA Lodi Santos, and of course, our COO and Commissioner of Delta Cup in attendance here is Coach Leo Isaac. We start the third quarter with this lineup. For Porac, we have Kapulong, Tubangi. We have Gigante, Vasquez, and Cruz. Cruz for 3. Yes, sir! 11 points for Cruz. 47-43. And we have a turnover. For Magalang, we have Panlapan, Manaloto, Dizon, Licap, and David. Those are the 5 on the floor for Magalang. Sabi ni Tristan Tubangi, dahan-dahan muna tayo, huwag tayong magmamadali. Here's Gigante now on the left wing. Tubangi with 15 to shoot. There's a pick by Cruz. Cruz momentarily open. He hit the 3 earlier. Gigante on the baseline. Drives high. 14 points for Nino Vasquez. And we have a foul on Kapulong. 45-47. 2-point lead for Magalang. Eight and a half minutes remaining. Medyo mainit ang ating laban. Oh, offensive foul. Wow. Now things are heating up. Things are heating up here in Delta Cup. And now Porac has a chance to trim down this lead. This is just a 2-point game. Suddenly, Cruz for another 3. It bounces out. Look at Gigante! Oh! We don't want that to happen for a premier guy, from an elite guy for Porac. And that deserves a review. Wow. Talaga naman yung pagkabagsak dito ni Gigante, talaga nakakatakot. Anyway, let's move on and let the referees review this last bit of action in slow-mo. 45-47. So we're going to review now the last instance. And of course, they're going to wait this decision by our reps. It is an unsportsmanlike foul. That's big. That is big. Tubangi. Let's see that again in slow-mo. So this is criteria 1. Not legitimately play on the ball. Criteria 1. It's Tubangi rather. Unsportsmanlike foul. Criteria 1 po yan sa FIBA rules natin. Just to let you know. Free throw is no good for Gigante. Sorry, ang foul pala ay si Licap. I'm sorry. And Gigante makes it. So Lika foul, that will only be his first. Free throw split for JM Gigante. And they got possession with 14 on the shot clock. Only 9 on the shot clock. Here's Kapulong. Airballs that three-pointer. He airballs that three-pointer, but touch it last by Dizon. The big boy hustling, Inbound on the outside. Here's come three-point shot. Nope, rebound. And you look at that konting gulang there. Whoop, meron tayong foul sa backcourt. And this time it's going to be against Tubangi. That will be his first personal. That's a second team foul. All right, here's Magalang on a possession. Here's a drive by Likap. Difficult drive to the basket, didn't pay off. Canlapan puts it in. 8 points for Canlapan. Seven and a half remaining in this third quarter. Here's Cruz. Cruz has it with 10 to shoot. Cruz with a crossover. Low post play. Here's Tubangi with a jumper. Basket again for Tubangi. 49-48. Baseline drive, the spin, the turn, the fadeaway. It's no good. Rebound, Kapulong. Porac has a chance to grab the lead for the very first time in this second half. They grabbed the lead once in the first quarter. Hang time move. Oh, Kapulong. A little acrobatic there. Three-point bomb exploded for Nilo Likap. Swift retaliation. Sagutan espesyal dito sa third quarter. Ito si Tubangi. Tumira ng three-point shot. Wala. Canlapan keeps it alive for the blue shirts of Magalang. 52-50 is our tally. Here's the razzle-dazzle drive. Nothing there for Likap. He tried his darn best, but it didn't pay off. Oy, and of course, meron tayong isang broadcaster. Binabati ko si Erwin James Awitin, EJ Awitin. Yeah, we'll see you tomorrow there in Manila. 52-50, three-point shot. It's no good. Canlapan. Ball goes out of bounds. Oh, this is a very frenetic pace. As Porac always keep inching closer to the aspirations of Magalang to break away. Tubangi. Here's Kapulong, now to Gigante. Gian Cruz has been hot of late. He's been double teamed. He's now marked man. Here's Gigante. JM misses. And the rebound control for the blue shirts. Canlapan once again, another carom. And here's the big boy. Nizon brings it up. Big boy, double team. Here's a three ball. It does not work. Rebound, Vasquez. But that's Nino Vasquez so far. Top scoring with 14 points. Tubangi. Here's Kapulong. Drops it up. Gigante almost lost. Vasquez drops it up. JM Gigante scoring at will. 8 points now for JM Gigante. And we're deadlock at 52. Believe it or not, this is only our second deadlock of the ball game. Canlapan, the reverse. Beautiful. 10 points for Rafa Canlapan, 54-52. Magalang up by 2 now. Time remaining is 5 minutes and 11, approaching the midstream in the third quarter. Gian Cruz again against Big Boy. He gets it to go. And he's hot. 13 points, Gian Cruz. Likap. It's now a big man's game. David drops it up. Canlapan puts it in. Great teamwork for both squads. Easy bucket there for Franz David. From an assist by Canlapan. 56-54, Magalang with a 2-point lead. 4.5 minutes remaining. We're down 10 on the shot clock. Here's Tubangi. Jordan Gigante, three-point bomb exploded. JM. Now in double figures with 11, 57-56, 4 and 23 remaining the third. Now this game is nothing short of exciting. Leak up, the drop, inside, David, batted away, Capulong grabs the rebound. Porak on the momentum side, JM Gigante with a hang time move. 6-0 run for Porak. The lead is evaporated, now they're up by 3. Magalang sues for time as we see this home run for Porak. JM Gigante taking charge. Matchup, Magalang and Porak here at the Brenzilla Convention Center. And as we see some of the people standing, earlier today we see the Lubao winning against Santa Rita 75-70. And also in the second game, nanalo po ang Sasbuan laban sa Santa Ana 75. Excessive eye contact? No. He just prevent leak up for a potential play. So that's a good call by referee Dennis Escaros. Inside incursion rejected, but there's going to be a foul. And Alfie Ocampo cannot believe it. And tempers are slightly flaring for both squads. This is now beginning to be an emotionally intense ball game. And even our courtside reporter, mamaya, bibigyan tayo ng report. And even Francine can see sweaty palms. And Dunca, pumasok ang kanyang unang free throw. And he has 5 points para sa Juan Magalang. One more free throw. Short. Para for the rebound. They still get it. Bank shot no good. Rebound controlled by Canlapan. He was fouled. Look at the gang rebounding by Juan Magalang. And that's another foul for Alfie Ocampo. That's his third personal. And let's 61-58 is a count. Is a 3-point lead. All right, let's turn you over to Francine for this report. Francine?
Now, for Juan Magalang basketball, they're hungry for this win as much as their opposing team, Bayong Porac. According to her head coach, Joey Mercado, kailangan nilang manalo dahil gusto nilang makapasok sa top 8 at dahil gusto nilang hindi malaglag sa eliminations. And as far as their play and mindset going into this game, puhunan nila ngayon ang kanilang depensa dahil malalaki daw ang kanilang kalaban. Pero tiyaga lang sa depensa at rebound at tiwala sa kanilang system ay surely they will be able to pull this win off. Now back to you.
Thank you so much, Francine Marco. And of course, 2 free throws made by Rafa Canlapan, 61-59. 10 on the shot clock. Here's Gigante. Here's Cruz again, short. Look at Jamie Gigante. That time he was rejected by Estrabo from behind. With 2:47 remaining, it is a 2-point lead, 61-59. Manaloto, sidestep, the layup, beautiful, beautiful. And we are again deadlock at 61. Pangatlong deadlock na natin to. 2.5 minutes in the third quarter. Here's Tubangi with a spinneroo. Inside to Gigante, almost taken away. Ball goes out of bounds, turnover. .21 remaining in this third quarter. And here comes Magalang. Leak up for 3. No, rebound. Hotly contested. And ball touched last by the blue shirts. It will go back to Porac. So we're going to see a wild wind-up for this intense ball game. Kagaya sinabi ni Francine Marco, Magalang needs to win to stay afloat on the top 8. Whereas Porac already assured of a playoffs on the middle of the pack. We're approaching now the 2 minutes in this third quarter. Gigante. Sidestep, the drop. Oh, butterfingers there for Cruz. As we see a fast break, Manaloto going step, left-handed layup. Oh, what a shot. What a shot. 63-61. The lead is 2 now for Magalang. And now they grab the driver's seat. Gigante wide open three-point shot. Not that time. Estrabo clears the board for the blue shirts of Magalang. They need to be patient well enough. Manaloto takes flight, blocked by Cruz. Shovel pass to Gigante, he's gone. Great third quarter for Gigante. 11 third quarter points, 17. He only had 6 in the first half. Estrabo for 3. Bingo! What a time to explode. And now, Juan Magalang keeping Porac again at bay, 66-63. Take a look at this Gigantes home run. And on the other side, we're going to see a three-point heave by Estrabo. With 1 minute and 2, we need to have a ceasefire.
You make, you break, you take the shot, you ready to rock. 19 under, coming very soon.
.62 seconds remaining in the third quarter. So far for Bayong Porac, it has been all JM Gigante show. Here's Rodriguez. Silent in this third quarter. Keeps silent. He scored nothing in this third quarter. With 42 seconds remaining, the lead for Magalang is 3. And we have a foul given up by Jay Serrano. And they are in penalty situation. Yes, it does. Free throws will be the best friend for Magalang, as they scored 65% of the time in the free throw line. Manaloto can't sink it this time. He's a lefty, Ariel Manaloto. So far in this ball game, Manaloto has 8 points. And still 8. Missed both free throws. Half a minute remaining. Third quarter action. Perez may tao. Uy! Natumba doon sino to? Si Estrabo. Meantime, Canlas can't sink it. 10-footer. Eto, huling tira na for Magalang. The shot clock is off. Jeff Button pressing the right button. Lays up, partially deflected, but there is Dongka for the stick back. Final 7 seconds. Rodriguez. Nagmamadali. Here's Cruz. Lets it fly from 3-point distance. Short. 1 second to go. That should do it. Magalang holding on to this 5-point lead, 68-63. But what we're going to show in this third quarter are the highlights of a streaking JM Gigante, who only scored 6 in the first half but exploded with 11 in the third quarter, 17 points. Kita nyo yan, ha? 11 puntos. And these some of the highlights of Gigante's giant strike back. And now Porac just within 5. Let's see in this last play. Gigante soars for the lose. End of third, Porac 63, Magalang 68. We'll be right back for the fourth.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Papatuloy po ang ating Delta Cup Inter-Cities Municipalities Basketball League 2023-24. Nagmumula dito sa Brenzy Yao Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Fourth quarter action. My name is Ryan Pajaro. Doing the call. I will covering 5 games for you. What a layup! What a layup! Jeff Button again. Double figures na si Jeff. Let's see the five on the floor para sa Porac. We have Tubangi, Canlas, Capulong, Gigante, and Vasquez who missed the shot. Para sa Magalang, we have Dunca, Bungay, Estrabo. We have Manaloto and Boton. Bungay has it. 12 to shoot. Here's Estrabo on the right wing. Bungay, they swing it around. Here's Boton. Ball almost taken away, but it's going to be an instant foul given up by Tristan Tumbangi. That will be his second probably. Yes, it is. Second personal foul on Tristan Tumbangi. First team foul for Porac. This game is far from over. We all know Porac is a second half team. We've seen that their very first game against Lubao. They win it in overtime. Estrabo scores the layup. So the weakness of Porac is their late rotation in defense, especially underneath. And that time Vasquez is momentarily open, but look at the defensive stance of Magalang, really stopping Porac from scoring. But look at this. Oh! Jeff Button again pressing the right button with a little body English and acrobatic. That deserves the second look as Porac is about to sue for time. Look at this. The spin, the heave, and the conversion. Timeout.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
Don't forget, on March 10 in Paint Branch High School, Burtonsville, Maryland, USA, Sinag Liga Lakas 40 and PBA Legends presents a basketball exhibition game featuring Alvin Patrimonio, John Perios, Rodney Santos, our commissioner on Sinag Liga Lakas 40, EJ File, and President Ray Alao. 6 to 8 p.m. is going to be the basketball clinic, and 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. will be the basketball game. That time will be in Eastern time, Eastern Standard Time. So that means it's a 13-hour difference dito. Abangan niyo yan, March 10, 2024. We have an offensive foul against Vasquez. That illegal pick. Ito isang player doon ng slightly hurt. I think he was hit on the solar plexus. Ayun, no? Kaya yung pinakagilid, sakit to. Kumbaga sa boxing, pag tinamaan ka doon, talagang aaray ka. Look at this. Boom! It hit the solar plexus of Jordan Bungay. Now, what I like about Juan Magalang for this fourth quarter breakaway, it's at 11-point lead. Four players for Magalang already in double figures. One of them is this, Jeff Button, with another assist. 14 points for Jeff, 12 points for Canlapan, 11 points for Estrado, and Licap with 11. Balanced attack. 4 players in double figures. Ganon katindi ang Juan Magalang tonight, this afternoon. Here's Capulong, wide open, 3-point shot on his way. He's looking for a foul. He didn't get it. Cruz on the stick back, nothing. Partially deflected. One more serving is going to be a foul. Talagang lumalaban sa rebound ang Porac. Hindi sila lang papatalo. They don't want this game out of hand for Porac. Foul on Estrabo, his first. And Vasquez will shoot 2 free throws. After scoring 14 points, or after scoring 11 points in the first half, he only scored 3 in the third. Now, has the first point of the court, split in the second. The lead is 12 now for Magalang, and Vasquez steals it from the backcourt. And they needed that so bad. Here's the drive and draw play. Gigante prevailed. He is the lethal scorer, and he has 17 points. Or 19 rather. Dunca with the highest, probably, but But sabi ni referee Michael Galotera, may foul si Vasquez. That will be his third personal. Third team foul. Take a look at this. Gigante with a teardrop. Nicely done. In a slow-mo replay. Despite the bandage. So, nagtatali lang ng sapatos yung isang player ng Bangkok. Okay, ready na po tayo. 14 on the shot clock for Magalang. The lead is 10, 76-66, 7:21 remaining. Sa ating fourth and final quarter. Jeff Button has it. Here's the low post play. Here's Dunca banging bodies against Cruz. Dunca will not score. Battle for the rebound. And here's Gia Cruz. Sprinting down court. Will challenge Jeff Button and Cruz prevails. 16 points for Gian Cruz. One of his breakout games. He normally averages 8 points and 4 rebounds per game. Estrabo on the outside. Estrabo makes his move. There's a pick by Dunca. Estrabo binanggat. Ang tira niya, wala. Battle for the rebound. Button! Oh, look at that! Tipsy rin. And he has 16. The lead is 10, 78-68 with 6:37 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Ganda, binababa mo na nila Pakapulong. Narito na si Jamie Gigante with 30 to shoot. He's swinging around on the right wing. Rodriguez inside the basket. Nice touch passing. Here's Cruz. Cannot make it on the point blank range. Sorry, miss. Bungay brings it downtown for the Blue Shirts. They're on a double-digit spread, 10 points. Here's Bungay. Bungay on the outside. Here's a bounce pass. Here's the getaway. Nice cut. And Manaloto in double figures with 10. 5 players for Magalang in double figures. Superb scoring attack. Balanced scoring in full display. Here's Jamie Gigante, Nando Kapulong. 10 seconds to shoot. Cruz hinihingi ng bola. Cruz now on the baseline. Can't spot. Instead, spins, turns. There's a double team. The drop-off baskets on the outside. Rodriguez open for 3. No. Beating the shot clock buzzer. And play continues. Magalang with a 12-point edge. Doesn't need. Estrabo right down the base. Estrabo natumba. There's going to be a foul on Vasquez. That will be sport personal foul. There you go. And fourth personal on Vasquez. One more. He's in the showers. As we see, Tristan Tubangi is back in the game. It will be a brief rest for James Gigante. He will come back in the last 3 minutes or 2 minutes. Estrabo. Manaloto. Estrabo on the right wing. Shot clock is down. Oh, look at Jeff Button. What a second half for Jeff Button. He scored 8 in the first half. Now he has 18. 10 second half points for Jeff Button. What a player. Kapulong airballs the shot. Nice save there for Vasquez. Last touch by Jeff Button. And the ball goes to Porak. They have a 12-second shot clock. So si Coach Arvin Ibay not wasting time. Just a few seconds rest there for Gigante. He's now back with 5 minutes left. JM travels. (82-68). Halfway point of the final quarter. 4 minutes and 53. Here's Manaloto. Cruz clears the board. Ball batted away with 2 blue players. And good call by referee Dennis Escaras. The ball goes back to Porak. Parang nagkaroon ng kalambola eh. Parang nagping-pong yung bola sa dalawang player bago ma-out of bounds eh. Okay, sabi ni Coach Joey Mercado, gagamit tayo ng Coach's Challenge in the fourth quarter, 4 minutes and 40. Okay, magkakaroon tayo ng review. I-review na natin mga referees. It seems like to me that the last touch would be Magalang, but we'll see that on our slow-mo replay. The referees will review this last bit of action in slow-mo. Once they decide, papakita natin yan sa ating publiko. Alright, after the review, it is white ball. Challenge is unsuccessful. Let's see that again. 1, 2, 3. Ping pong, oh. Ulo-ulo. Yun, out of bounds. Yes. The challenge for Magalang is unsuccessful. So they don't have any more coaches challenge left. 82-68. Whereas Porac, meron pa silang isa. Tubangi. Thought about a 3. Decides to drive. Spin. Nowhere to go. Di Marukot. Unable to hit. Inside play. Gigante partially deflected. And he was walloped. He was walloped. Oh, there's some altercations on the floor. On that play, that we need to avoid because Juan Magalang is about to win this game. But those physical altercations, especially Gigante, remember his cheek is hurt. Now he's hurt again. Oh boy, oh boy. Those extracurriculars, hindi yan palalampasin natin referees. Take a look at this slow-mo replay. There's a foul. He's down on the floor. Tinamaan. Binangga. Oh. I think one player, I think Tubangi went overboard. He pushes a Juan Magalang player. But that will be under review. And of course, we will wait for the official announcement for our venue announcer for this important decision. Of course, Ram Valid taking charge of our venue announcer duties. So we are currently reviewing the last bit of action of slow-mo. All right, here's the decision of the referees. Okay. So there is a foul, and then there is also a unsportsmanlike foul. So we will wait for the announcement from Ram Valid, and let's listen in. Okay. It looks like Tubangi will be called for the unsportsmanlike foul, but also we have a foul. Pero hindi pa sa penalty ang Magalang. So let's wait for the announcement for venue announcer Ram Valid.
Foul on number 28, Errol Manaloto. That's his third personal. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 11, Tristan Tubangi.
Okay, it's official. It's a foul on Manaloto. And Tristan Tubangi will be called for the unsportsmanlike foul. Criteria 2, excessive hard contact. And that's the third personal on Tristan Tubangi also. And Magalang will have its third team foul. There you go. Tama yung announcement ni Ram Valid. That's Manaloto misses the first. Makes the second. And they have 14 seconds on the shot clock. All right, let's bring in Francine Marco for another report.
Hello, Ryan. I was able to talk to Ariel Manaloto, their key player and team captain, who delivered 41 points for Juan Magalang on their game versus Bacolor. I asked him, ano ang difference sa kanyang mindset coming into this game, knowing that it's a very important game for them. And he said, talagang pinagsipagan nila mag-training at nag-focus sa kanilang depensa. Dahil daw, pag maganda ang kanilang defense, mas malaki ang tiwala sa kanilang opensa na makapag-contribute ng points. He also said that their mindset talaga is manalo and they can achieve this sa pakikinig lang sa kanilang coaches at tiwala sa isa't isa, and he believes that they can pull off this much-needed win. Now back to you, Ryan.
Thank you so much, Francine Marco. Defense is the name of the game for Magalang as they limit Porac for just 70 points. But don't count out Porac yet. Although they are down by 13 points, we all know that Porac can mount a full-screen uprising anytime. As this team captain, the skipper, Ariel Manaloto, scores his 12th point of the ballgame, coming off of a 41-game output on the last game. Now they are 16 points away for reaching the century mark. Remember, majority of the wins of Magalang they scored 90 or more. Whereas on their losses, they score below 80. Yan ang barometer. Ngayon, ganun din sa depensa. Now, let's see if Pora can come back on this last 3 minutes and 43. That time, great assist there by Gigante. To Nino Vasquez, who the score is 19 points. With 3:34 remaining in the fourth quarter, 85-72, Magalang. Here's the drive. The kick out for Manaloto. Shot clock is a problem, 5 seconds. Bounce pass, oh, what a play. Rim out. Button again, Donka. Ball is loose. Button throws it up, no. Tubangi now to Cruz. Here's Jamie Gigante, will challenge Manaloto. He comes, blocked by Manaloto. 3 minutes remaining in this fourth quarter. Estrabo will slow down. And they're gonna chop down some clock. Manaloto on the outside, the skipper. Can pull the trigger. Estrabo with 7 to shoot on the shot clock. Here's the drive. Manaloto in time. As the shot clock is about to expire. Swift retaliation there by Nino Vasquez. 21 points for Nino Vasquez. 15 points for Manaloto. 87-74. Magalang can smell W here with 2 and 17. With only 6 on the shot clock. Here's the drive, the shot. It will not work. Button can't tip it in. Rebound. Here's Tubangi with the last 2 minutes. Here's Gigante, lays it in. Last 2 minutes now. JM Gigante scores a layup and he has 21 points. The lead is 11, 87-76. Tubangi with the assist and Gigante with the finish. A minute and 57.
Yeah.
You split the D. You run the O. You take the shot. You ready to rock. 19 under. Coming very soon.
(87-76). Under 2 minutes remaining. Look at this last play. 18 points for Jeff Button. We have a foul from the backcourt. From our live action, take a look at some of the highlights here. All right. Jeff Button pressing the right button, and he's one of the prime candidates of our best player honors. But this guy, Ariel Manaloto, defensive specialist, now has 16. By the way, on the half court earlier, from our live action, a foul spotted by the refs against Tristan Tubangi. That will be his 4th personal. And Manaloto has 17. 89-76. Time is slowly running out for Bayong Porac. They need to make their move now. Cruz on the base. Cruz puts it up. Blocked by Button. One more serving. Counted and foul. Counted and foul. Let's see that again on slow-mo replay. Foul is on Donka. That will be his 4th personal on that last bit of action. And Cruz sinks it. 19 points for Gian Cruz. 89-79. They got the steal from the inbound, but the ball will stay with Porac. They have 18 seconds on the shot clock. Remember, Magalang had no more. Coach's challenge. Quick basket for Vasquez. 23 points for Nino Vasquez. And now they keep on pressing. The lead is just 8 points. Here's Likap. Here's Manaloto. 80 points now for Porac. Reaching the barrier of 81. So this is going to be a closely fought encounter. Inside block. Great block by Capulong. 5 to shoot. Here's Likap. The teardrop short. Rebound. And here's Porak on a fast break. Vasquez is gone. 25 points. The lead is chopped down to 6. 89 to 83. 65 seconds to go. Look at this. Vasquez with a getaway. Now, Magalang has no more timeouts to call. We'll be right back.
Tagisan ng lakas, labanan ng bilis, gamitan ng estratehiya. Kilalanin ang mga pambato ng siyudad ng Pampanga. Delta Cup 2024 Intermunicipality and City Tournament. Hatid sa inyo ng Sinag Liga Asya. Sinag Liga Asya. Mekos na yan!
Okay, pansadahan natin yung team standings on these two teams. Porak, Mayong Porak now has 5 wins and 4 losses, safely on the top 8. One Magalang, they need to win this so bad to make it to the top 8. 61 seconds to go, 89 to 83. The press is on. Likap, pass to Tunka, scores. Nice. Getaway there by Tunka. 47 ticks. Cruz inside to Vasquez. It's going to be a foul on Manaloto. That will be his third personal. That's what you call press break in full display. Look at this. Likap breaking the press and finding Tunka for the finish. Oh, check that. Manaloto had his 4th personal foul. Free throws. It's a problem for Vasquez. The top scoring Porak and the game with a game high 25 points, 26 points. But it might fall short with 42 seconds unless they score in bunches in the final 39 seconds. Here comes. Almost a steal, almost a steal. It is going to be a foul. Almost a steal. A foul on Capulong. Both teams in penalty. 34 seconds. Insurance baskets for Nilo Likap. And he missed the first free throw. Likap matching his jersey with 11 points. In and out. Latch this stand now for Porak. 7-point deficit. They need to score a 3. Here comes Gigante right down the base. The drop pass almost intercepted. Gigante inside to Cruz. Foul. It's a foul. It will be against Jeff Button. That's 4th personal foul. Cruz needs to score these free throws now. No. He will under pressure. 7-point game. Magalang can smell it. Time remaining on their side. 20.3 seconds. Split by Cruz. 20 points for Gian Cruz. But that might not be enough unless Porak gets a steal from this inbound. Oh, almost a broken play. It is what? All right, they're going to review it. All right, Mayong Porak will call a timeout and we're going to have a review as well. Who will get this important possession now? Porak, as they used their last timeout, this is very important. In case Porak will get the possession back, they need to score quickly. However, if Magalang gets the possession and if they get across the timeline, they have an option to foul, or they might just run the clock and give Magalang a well-deserved victory. They will, if Magalang will win today, ay aakyat sila sa 4 wins and 5 loss. Look at this angle as the referees reviewing the last bit of action in slow-mo. Samantala naman ang Mayong Porak, they have 5 and 3. If they lost, or if they lose rather, it will be 5 and 4. If they win, they'll go up 6 wins. 17.2 seconds. The referee decide the ball will go to Magalang. After review. Let's see that again. And we have, yes, it was kicked by Capulo. Leak up from the base. Leak up trap. It's going to be a foul. It's a foul on Vasquez, and that's it for him. And Vasquez bows out of the game. 25 points. 26 points in a losing effort. As Magalang. And look at the head coach, kind of upset because he wants to replace Vasquez. He waits for the time. There should be a 1 minute, but the coach of Porac, Arvin Ibay, is furious. And Michael Galotera calming him down. And Arvin Ibay utterly frustrated. 13.7. 10 seconds. 3 ball. No. And that's it. Magalang wins. 4 seconds to go. Juan Magalang, final score 92-85. On a well-fought game. And believe me, it has been an outstanding statistic for Magalang, who had almost 6 players in double figures. And we have here in front of me is head coach Arvin Ibay still talking from a complaint. But of course, this guy, Jeff Button, he had tiny baskets. And in just a short while, makakausap ko siya. And again, the final score is 92-85, one of the highest scoring games for today's coverage. Juan Magalang getting a much-needed win. Dale now up to 4-5. Of course, kasama ko ngayon ang ating best player of the ball game. Alisin ko lang yung aking spectacles. All right, our best player of the ball game, of course, Jeff Button, who was scored 23 points in the ball. Jeff, matanong kita, no? Saan nakuha yung itong Magalang yung second half na nagkaroon kayo ng balance scoring attack na at least 4 sa inyo ay double figures?
Ano lang, sir.
Sige, compose yourself. Sige lang. Medyo mahihayin.
Ulit.
Sige, ganito na lang. So, simple ko lang ng itong tanong kasi alam natin yung Porac, isa sa mga elite teams yan. At yung second half talagang nung yung first 7 minutes of fourth quarter, you limit them to 70 points. Paano nyo na-improve yung inyong defensive skills?
Ano lang, sir. Nagtulong-tulungan kami para makuha namin yung depensa para may panalo namin ang laban.
Okay, bago kita papatin, just one more question. Sa tingin mo, Jeff, ano pang mga pasay ng laro mo na gusto mo pang ma-improve para talagang maging formidable opponent ang Juan Magalang coming to the playoffs? Ano pang kailangan mo pang ma-improve? Ano pang kailangan mo pang ma-improve?
Ano lang, training pass para ano.
Okay. Ito talaga ito yung tinatawag na action speaks louder than words. Hindi na kita patatagalin, pwede ka na bumati yan ng camera. Go ahead.
Binabati mo nga pala yung mayor namin na si Paras Lacson, tsaka mga family ko, tsaka yung girlfriend ko, tsaka yung mga kabarangay ko, mga SI.
Okay, well-deserved. The hard-nosed, hard-working Jeff Button pressing the right button for victory. Congratulations. At good luck sa inyong mga susunod na games. Again, ang ating final score, 92-85, a 7-point victory for Mabalacat City MCG. That will be coming up next. Nanalo pala. Nanalo ang Porac laban sa team kanina. Now, Our next game will be Mabalacat City FCG Cares versus Villa de Bacolod. Again, congratulations to Pora for an outstanding game. For pati ako nalilito. Magalang wins pala against Pora for an outstanding game. And that will do it for our Game 3. Meron pa tayong 2 games. This is one part, of course. Of course, this is a production of SLA Sports. 2 laro pa po tayo dito sa Delta Cup. Stay tuned.